the follow on from the previous video where I showed you how to use two methods to solve double brackets, which was the FOIL method in the brackets and then the grid method. This video recaps but includes negative numbers. Now don't be frightened of a negative number. It's going to be okay, I can assure you. I know you hate maths, that's why you're looking at this video, but you can do it. So let's go with my preferred method, the FOIL method. So we know brackets mean to multiply. So go with the first letter, x times x. We know that that is x squared. Using the same x, we're going to multiply out minus 3. So x minus times minus 3 is minus 3x. That's that bracket done. Then we go on inside here. 2 times x is plus 2x. 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. Using the rule there, that a plus and a minus equals a negative. Now we're going to collect like terms and simplify it. So x squared goes first, biggest number. Then we've got minus 3 plus 2, which gives us minus 1, which is minus x, sorry. And minus 6 on its own. So there we go, that's the answer. We've simplified it nicely. Let's go back to the grid method. So as we know, we need to do the same. So x plus 2. So we put the first bracket across and the second bracket below. So that becomes x minus 3. All the information's in. This is times. This is telling you it's a times. So x times x is x squared. 2 times x is 2x. Minus 3x is minus 3x. Minus 3 times 2 is minus 6. Put it all together. We have x squared plus 2x minus 3x minus 6. Collect like terms and simplify. It becomes exactly the same. So it's down to you which way you feel comfortable. But it is nice to have different options. Like I said before, I prefer the FOIL method. I prefer this way. But many others prefer that way. So let's go on to negatives. So start again. X times x is x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. Minus 2x. And minus 2 times minus 3 becomes a plus 6. So we're introducing the new rule that a negative times a negative equals a plus. People get caught out with this all the time, so if you're not getting it straight away, please don't worry about it. It will come. You'll automatically do it. So x squared, we've got a minus 3x and a minus 2x, which comes to minus 5x plus 6. There we go. Let's like terms and simplify. Grid, x minus 2, our first bracket. Now our second bracket is going down here. X minus 3. Remember, that's a times sign. X times x is x squared. X times minus 2 is minus 2x. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 2 is plus 6. Put it all together. And collect like terms and simplify. There you go. Same answer. Different method. And one more on these ones. So we do it again. Y times y, y squared. Y times 3 is plus 3y. Minus 2 times y is minus 2y. Minus 2 times y plus 3 is minus 6. Collect like terms, simplify it. Plus 3y minus 2y equals y minus 6. Okay? Now over to here. First bracket, y minus 2. Second bracket, y plus 3. Y times y is y squared. Y times minus 2 is minus 2y. Plus 3 times y is 3y. 3 times minus 6 is minus 6. Put it all together. We've got y squared minus 2y plus 3y minus 6. Collect like terms and simplify. Y squared plus y minus 6. Same again. Now this one's a little bit more different, but exactly the same concept. So we've got 4x times x is 4x squared. 4x times minus 4 is minus 16x. 5 times 5 plus 5x. 5 times minus 4 is minus 20. Collect like terms and simplify. So we've got 4x squared minus 11x minus 20. There we go. I've already filled this in. So it's x times 4x is 4x squared. X times 5 is 5x. Minus 4 times 4x is minus 16x. And minus 4 times 5 is minus 20. Put it all together. Remember the biggest at the top, at the front. 4x squared plus 5x minus 16x minus 20. Collect like terms and simplify. Gives you minus 11x minus 20. Hope that helps.